Hello everyone, I am going to explain some questions from exercise 3.2 from class 11. So today I am going to explain question number 6 to 10 from exercise 3.2. Now in these questions we have to find out the trigonometric functions value. So we'll start from question number 6. We have to find out the value of sine 765 degree. Now since it's 765 degree directly we cannot calculate, so we are going to use the concept of 360 or 90 plus minus theta formula. So students, I had solved here. So if we'll do 360 degree multiplied by 2 and then 45. So when you will solve this, it's going to be 765. Now it's because 360 multiplied by 2 and at 360 the trigonometry ratio is not used to change, and 360 plus 45, so it will move in the first quadrant. So first thing, trigonometric function will not change. So since it is sine, so same sign will come here, and since 360 plus any angle will move to the first quadrant, and in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive, that's why here plus sign will come. So conclusion is 2 multiplied by 360 plus 45 is only 45. That's why sine 45 value is 1 upon root 2. Now the next is question number 7. Cosec minus 1410 degree we have to find out. So students, you know that cosec minus theta is minus cosec theta. That's why this minus sign will come in front. Now we have to solve this. So when you will solve this, first is create the table of 360. So we will see that here it got cut. But I am telling to you, listen properly, then it will be clear to you. 4 multiplied by 360 plus 60 if you will do, minus 60 minus 30 degree when you will do, you will get here cosec, because 4 multiplied by 360 and then minus 30 will come here, it got cut here. So when we do because it's 4 multiplied by 360, and if you will do minus theta, then it will move to the fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant it is negative. So that negative and this negative becomes the positive here. And since 360 is there, so n multiplied by 360 means no change. You not have to change. That's why cosec remain cosec. So cosec 30 value is 2. So in these concepts, the quadrant and the change or no change should be very clear to you. So I request from you that before doing these questions, go through with my previous video. There I explained to you I explained very properly that when the trigonometric ratios will change and what sign it will acquire when it will move in respective quadrants. So 360 means you not have to change the trigonometric ratios. So cosec is going to be cosec only, and since it's moving in fourth quadrant where it is negative, so minus sign will come in front, minus plus. That's why cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. Now question number 8. In question number 8 we have to find out 10, 19, pi upon 3. So I converted the radian measure to the degree measure. So I multiplied it by 180 degree upon pi. Directly also you can do, but my students are feeling very convenient with the degree, that's why I converted it. So when we'll convert it with degree, we'll get here 1140, which before also we got. So it's going to be 3 means when we split it, it's going to be 3 multiplied by 360 plus 60. So 1060. Because it's 360, so 360 means no change, so 10 remains 10, and 360 plus 60, it will move in the first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive, that's why it's going to be positive, so it's going to be only root 3. Now the next question number 9th. In 9th, minus sign is there, and we know that sine minus theta is minus sine theta, so minus sign will come in front. And I converted the radian into the degree by multiplying it with 180 upon pi. That gave me 660 degree. Now we have to change the 660. So 2 multiplied by 360 and minus 60 will come here. Now since it's a 360, So no change, means sign remains sign, and minus 60 we are doing means it will move to the fourth quadrant where sign is negative. That's why minus sign will come in front. So minus minus plus, and sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Now we have to find out cot minus 15 upon 15 pi upon 4. Again I converted the radian measure to the degree measure. So after I multiplied by 180 upon 5, and that gave me the answer 675 degree. Now 675 degree we have to convert. First I shifted this minus sign in front by the formula cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, and then I, with the help of 360 table, I created it. When you will solve this, you will get again 675 degree. Now it's a 360 degree. 360 degree means you not have to change, and minus 45 we are doing means it is moving in the fourth quadrant, because we are doing minus 45 degree, and so in fourth quadrant cot is negative, so minus sign means it will acquire again negative sign, and already minus sign is there, so minus minus plus, so plus cot 45, that is 1. So this exercise all questions completed. So before doing 3.2 exercise, the formula should be very clear, which all the formulas I cleared out in my previous video. So I request from you that before doing this 3.2 exercise, go through with all the formula and learn it, so that easily you can do this exercise. Thank you.